Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel Fazal Career and Education. I hope you all are fine, good and also happy with your family. Dear friends, today I will discuss you our latest job advertisement, government sector job advertisement which is issued by NTS. Mean the recruitment test and procedure is conducted by National Testing Services. So before I started the video, I request you, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon and also set on all notification for receiving a latest update uploaded by me. So this is my first video in English language. If you noticed any mistakes or any wrong wording, kindly tell me and suggest me how can I improve English language video, how can I record it better in English language. So watch full video if you are interested, and if you are jobless, share this video, comment and like. Most important is sharing with your friend, with relatives and other people who are jobless. If you are jobless, then kindly watch this video full. It is helpful for applying. So let's get started and see what's detail in the advertisement. Today I will discuss you two advertisement in this video. So both advertisement watching carefully. If you are applying, don't face any difficulties, inshallah. So let's get started.
Okay friend, now you can see the first advertisement at department is medical teaching institution, Ayub teaching hospital, Abbottabad position available. ATH requires the services of the following. ATH stand for Ayub teaching hospital. First column is name and nature of post, second is name of number of position, and third is requirement criteria of appointment. So let's start. First serial number 1, post name boiler engineer, age required minimum 21 year or maximum 35 year, and domicile KPK. Number of position is 1. Requirement criteria of appointment is BSc engineering in relevant field, or second, registered with Pakistan Engineering Council. Third point, first class boiler certificate, and number 4, 5-year relevant experience in this field. So this is the first post detail. Now move to next serial number 2, account supervisor, post name, age requires minimum 21 year or maximum 35 year, domicile KPK. Number of position is 1, and required qualification or criteria is MBA finance, MCom, knowledge of computer, MS Word, MS Excel, knowledge of Oracle will be preferred, 3 year post qualification experience. And third serial number third is account clerk, age minimum 18 years or maximum 30 years, domicile KPK. Total position is 3, qualification required BBA, BCom, knowledge of computer, MS Word, MS Excel, knowledge of Oracle will be preferred, 3 year post qualification experience. So this is the details of positions. Total position is 3, and total vacancies 5. You can see the detail. If you have question, then tell me in comments or contact with me. All our contact details are available in description. So let's see the term and condition. If any important point I will read. Test will be conducted for the above position through NTS. National Testing Service is have a right to conduct the test in these position. Application form and online deposit slip are available on NTS website. Further details are available on the NTS website www.nts.org.pk. Candidates should be eligible in all respect by the last date of receipt of the application. Only shortlisted candidate will be called for interviews. Okay. If you want to apply more than one post, then use separate application form for each position. Okay. Government servant applied through proper channel and with NOC. The eligible candidate are required to send covering letter, CV with attested education and experience documents, copy of CNIC domicile and recent passport size photograph to the address mentioned below. Last date for the application shall be 15 days for the date of the advertisement. Application after due date will be rejected forthwith. So within 15 days you can eligible to submit the application form. Last date is 4th January. Sorry, last date is 7th January 2021. Okay. Address is National Testing Services NTS, plot number 94, street number 4, H81, Islamabad. Hospital Director, Medical Teaching Institution. So this is the first advertisement. I hope you will understand, and if you apply, I hope you don't face any difficulties. So let's move next advertisement. Okay ji, now you can see the second and last advertisement of this video. The University of Azad Jammu and Kashmir Muzaffarabad situation vacant application on prescribed form are invited for the following post for appointment under basic pay scale BPS tenure track system TTS. Okay, so number 10 lecturer BPS 18 main campus statistics 2 English 2 management science 1 Islamic studies 2 sociology 1 software engineering 2 electrical engineering 1 Urdu 2 physiology 1 Neelam campus CS and IT 2 computer science and information technology 2 English 1 Jehlam campus of Azad Jammu and Kashmir University computer science and information technology 2 education 2 or English 2. So required qualification is master degree foreign or MPhil MS Pakistan or equivalent degree 18 years in the relevant field from HEC recognized university institution with no third division in the academic career. So if you have first or second division you can apply. If you have third division you are ineligible for this post. Experience not required. Minimum age 21 year or maximum 40 years. Second is lecturer law BPS 18 main campus 1 post. Required qualification is LLB degree first class from an HEC recognized university institution with no third division in the academic career. No experience required. Minimum age 21 years or maximum 40 years. Next is lecturer BPS 18 main campus public health, subject is public health and number of post is 1. Required qualification MPH, MPhil MS or equivalent qualification in the relevant field 18 years of education with no third division in the academic career. No experience required. Minimum age is same as 1 and 2. So next is lecturer BPS 18 main campus, subject is pharmacy, total number of posts is 2. Qualification required A Form D from HEC recognized university and registered with Pakistan Pharmacy Council with no third division in the academic career, or MPhil MS or equivalent degree awarded after 18 years of education in the relevant field from an HEC recognized university with no third division in the academic career. Experience 2 years teaching experience in an HEC recognized university or a postgraduate institution in the relevant field. If you have B category qualification, then you are without experience apply for this post. Age limit is same as discussed in previous numbers. So next is lecturer BPS 18. Subject is physiotherapy. Number of posts is 1 and this is for main campus. Education required Doctor of Physical Therapy DPT with MPhil, MS, MPT or equivalent qualification awarded after 18 years of education with no third division in academic career. Age limit is same and no experience required. Next is demonstrator BPS 17. Main campus physiotherapy 1 post. Qualification required Doctor of Physical Therapy DPT from HEC recognized university with no third division in academic year. No experience required and age limit is same, minimum 21 or maximum 40 years. Next is Senior Research Officer Geology BPS 18. 1 post for main campus and qualification required in A category first class master degree in applied geology or B category master degree foreign or MPhil Pakistan in applied geology. If you have A category qualification, then you must have 6-year research professional experience in BPS 17, and if you have B category qualification, then 4 year teaching research experience in a national or international experience. Okay, so age limit is minimum 28 years or maximum 40 years. Okay ji, next is laboratory engineering, software engineering BPS 17. 3 posts for main campus. Qualification required first class bachelor degree in relevant field of software engineering. No experience required, minimum age 21 year or maximum 40 years. So now discuss the important instruction. Applicants having PhD in engineering and applicants of health sciences holding PM and DC recognized medical qualification will be entitled to get additional incentives as follows. If you have PhD or PM and DC, you will eligible to get extra marks in test, okay, according to government law or department law. So next general question, general instruction candidate for the post of professor and associate professor are required to submit 5 sets of reprint of research publications along with prescribed application form CV. So next is candidate applying for more than 1 post shall submit separate application form for each post. Candidate are required to submit attested photocopy of degree, result card, transcript, certificate and domicile etc. along with prescribed application form in person or sent by mail to the registered Azad Jammu and Kashmir University. Okay. Candidate may obtain application from forms from meeting section University of Azad Jammu Kashmir, Chehla campus, Muzaffarabad 13100 by providing rupees 3000 for the post mentioned at serial number 1 to 9 and University Challan forms available at authorized branches of Habib Bank in Azad Kashmir. They are also advised to submit attested hard copies of their result cards, certificate, domicile and fee challan etc. along with prescribed application from the registered office University of Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Chehla campus, administration block, Muzaffarabad. So before this advertisement, this department issued one advertisement serial number 1 to 9. You notice that this advertisement started from serial number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So if you are applying first advertisement post, you can pay 300 producing fee for the post serial number 1 to 9. Okay ji. Or for if you apply for this advertisement post, you can check the details on NTS website and deposit slip or form. Okay, candidate for the post serial number 10 to 17 will apply online directly to the National Testing Services Islamabad on their prescribed form available on NTS website. www.nts.org.pk by paying rupees 2000 rupees on University Chalan of Habib Bank Limited, available at NTS website. If you apply serial number 10 or 17, you can apply online in on website NTS. Our fee is for serial number 10 to 17 is 2000 rupees. Submit through Habib Bank branch, any branch. So the candidate having CGPA, this is not important. Common point, only upper age limit is relaxable for in service employees or as per rules. Okay ji. If you have a foreign degree, you can must provide equivalency certificate issued by Higher Education Commission. If you have a Jammu and Kashmir identity card or domicile, you will be preferred by the department. So notice the point number 15, applicants will be shortlisted through NTS written test where required in their respective fields. Only top 5 candidates having marks 50% or above in NTS written test will be called for interview against one post. I hope you will understand. The last date for submission of application, both hard and soft copies along with fee, challan and all relevant document is 20th January 2021. Last date is 20th January 2021. Professor Dr. Aisha Sohail, Registrar, phone number of 05822960418. So this is the last advertisement, the University of Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Muzaffarabad. I hope you will understand and watch the full video. If you watching full video, you not face any difficulties when you apply, inshallah. So too much for today. I hope you would like. Before I leave, please subscribe our channel, press bell icon and set all notification. Must share, like and comment on this video. Take care of yourself and your relatives and your neighbors. Don't forget me in your valuable prayers. Allah Hafiz.